Okay, here's geometry, section 10.8, page 4 of these notes, the last page here. We have two similar pyramids that have lateral areas of 8 square feet and 18 square feet. The volume of the smaller pyramid is 32 square feet. Find the volume of the larger pyramid. So the information that we've been given is that the lateral areas are 8 and 18. So if we set this up, the ratio of the areas, 8 to 18, small to large, and let's simplify that first. We can simplify that fraction down to divide out by a 2 gives us 4/9. Now because this is the ratio of the areas, we know that that 4 represents a squared and that 9 represents b squared, which means that a is 2 and b is 3. So ratio of sides would be 2 to 3. Ratio of the areas is 4 to 9. And ratio of the volumes would be a cubed to b cubed. So let's take a look at volumes, because that's what we're looking for. Find the volume of the larger pyramid. Volumes will be a cubed to b cubed, which is 2 cubed, or 8, to 3 cubed, which is 27. And they told us the volume of the larger pyramid. Oh no, we have to find the volume of the larger pyramid, so that's where the x is going to go. The volume of the smaller pyramid is 32, so I'm going to put that up here, 32. A couple of ways that you can solve this. Some of you see this. You could multiply 8 times 4 to make 32. So we would have to do 27 times 4. And 27 doubled is 54. 54 doubled is 108. So x is 108. Oops. Oh, I don't know where my whiteout is, so I'm just going to have to squeeze in a 0 in here. I'll scribble it out. 108. And that would be volume, so feet cubed. There's the volume of the larger pyramid. If that bothers you, of 8 times 4 is 32, so 27 times 4 is this 108, then by all means cross multiply. 8x equals whatever 27 times 32 is, and then you can divide that out. Last problem here has to do with a book called Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift. And in this story, Gulliver first traveled to an island, I guess, called Lilliput. And the Lilliputians' average height, there should be apostrophe S here, the Lilliputians' average height was 1/12 of Gulliver's height. Oh boy. So if we look at heights, a Lilliputian is small. Here's a Lilliputian, small person. Gulliver, huge. So 12 Lilliputians could make up one Gulliver. Let's do Gulliver to a Lilliputian. One Gulliver is 12 Lilliputians. Right? Gulliver's bigger. All right, there's the heights. That's your linear measurement. We want to know how many Lilliputian coats could be made from the material in Gulliver's coat. Well, coat is fabric, that's surface area. That means that we need to do a squared to b squared. So here's the a with heights, there's the b. Areas is going to be a squared to b squared, which is going to be 1 to 12 squared, or 144. This means for one of Gulliver's coats, there are 144 Lilliputian coats. One of Gulliver's coats would make 144 Lilliputian coats. Okay, and down here, this last bit, how many Lilliputian meals would be needed to make one meal for Gulliver? A meal is volume. You're eating food that is three-dimensional in size. It's not flat, it's three-dimensional. So food is volume. which means we're going to have to look at a cubed to b cubed, which would be 1 to 12 cubed. And if you zap that in your calculator, that is 1 over 1,728. So one of Gulliver's meals is 1,728 Lilliputian meals. And that's it. Okay. Again, we talked today in class. Please complete section 10.8 homework for Monday. Also, please get started on the Chapter 10 review as we review on Monday, test Tuesday. So get started on that review, so if you have any questions, you can get them answered in class on Monday. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.